Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 6th, assignment number 9, topic is light, shadows and images. In that first question, which objects do not form shadows? Which objects do not form shadows? See, we are observing objects through the window. A transparent medium, that is transparent glass. Glasses and air medium. We are observing the objects through the air. No? Objects are appearing very clearly. That means air and glass and water, these are all transparent mediums. So they won't make any shadows. Okay. Next question. What are needed to get a shadow? So what are the basic things that we need to get a shadow? We need a opaque object. Our body is a opaque body, so we can get the shadow. And we need a light. We need a light source. Then we need a screen to get the shadow on the screen. So these are the required materials to get the shadow. Object, opaque object, light source and screen. Okay. Next question. Classify the following objects into transparent, translucent and opaque objects. These are the objects given. Some objects we have to segregate into respective objects, that is transparent object or translucent or opaque objects. Transparent object, just now we discussed transparent objects, no? So in this transparent object is glass is transparent, otherwise we can take one by one. Cardboard, cardboard is a opaque object, so it comes under opaque object. Cardboard, opaque object. Duster also a solid one, that is it is opaque object. Duster. Okay. Next to polythene cover. Polythene cover, we can see the objects blurred image we can get through polythene cover. So it acts as a translucent, partial transmission of light passing through it. That's why it comes under translucent. Polythene cover. Okay. Next to oily paper. Oily paper also. Take a paper and pour some oil on it, coconut oil. After some time that paper appears to be translucent. So we can observe through that paper. Initially, without pouring oil on the paper, we are unable to see the object away from or behind the paper. But after pouring the oil, that paper becomes translucent. So it comes under translucent. So oily paper comes under translucent. Next to glass comes under transparent. Glass comes under transparent. Next to spectacle lens. So lens comes under transparent. Spectacle lens comes under transparent medium. Piece of chalk. Chalk piece is comes under opaque object. So piece of chalk, no? Piece of chalk comes under opaque object. Next to ball, table, book, these are all comes under opaque object. So ball, table and book comes under opaque object. Next to window glass. So window glass are translucent object. Translucent object, partial transmission of light energy passing through it. So it comes under translucent. Window glass comes under translucent object. Next to our palm. Palm is a opaque object. So it comes under opaque object. School bag. School bag comes under opaque object. School bag comes under opaque object. Next to air. Air is transparent medium. Air is transparent medium. Next to water. Water also transparent medium. So these are the types of medium that we get with our objects. Okay. So with this, today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.